Today on Focus on Investing, we'll be analyzing the stock market to see if you can make money today, right now, with Amazon stock. Time to get focused.
Time to get focused with Focus on Investing.
Gather around, hustlers. That's if you're still living. This is Focus on Investing. I am Focus, and this is your daily stock analysis of Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN. Let's start with some fundamentals. Amazon Inc. is an American multinational technology company which focuses on e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. It is one of the big 5 companies in the US information technology industry, along with Google, Apple, Meta, and Microsoft. The company has been referred to as one of the most influential economic and cultural forces in the world, as well as the world's most valuable brand. Jeff Bezos founded Amazon from his garage in Bellevue, Washington on July 5th, 1994. As of 2021, it is the world's largest internet company, online marketplace, AI-assisted provider, cloud computing platform, and live streaming service as measured by revenue and market share. Its earnings are due on Tuesday, February the 1st at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Its expected quarterly growth earnings are down 72.3%. And its expected quarterly revenue is up 9.6%. According to TradingView, it's in the sector and industry of retail trade and internet retail. All right, enough of the fundamentals. Let's get into the technicals. We can see that Amazon right now is trading at $3,178.35. Let's take a look at the monthly time frame. We can see that price currently isn't trading at all-time highs, which would be around the $3,767 range, which is also last year's high. Last year's low was around the $2,879 range. So price is currently trading between last year's high and low. However, it's trading closer to all-time highs. If we look at our key monthly pivot support and resistance levels, represented by these green and red dotted lines, we can see that we have all of our key pivot support and resistance levels below current price. Therefore, we would not expect any key levels of resistance ahead of price at this time. However, we can see that price is forming a bit of consolidation since the 1st of July 2020. So we would expect this to form a level of resistance for price to break through this $3,500 range. If we look at the overall shape of Amazon, it's very bullish and headed to the upside.
Uptown, baby. Uptown.
If we go back and look at the trends and the nature of the stock, and we start here on the 1st of May 1997, we saw a dramatic spike to the upside and a crash, as we mostly see with IPOs. Price then went on a rally and a small crash, a rally and a crash, a rally and a bit of a sideways movement and crash. So you notice that even though we're having rallies and crashes, we're having higher highs and higher lows. Again, continue to have higher highs and higher lows, even with pullbacks, which is natural with any stock. You will see price rally to a particular direction and then it will pull back, or what they call a correction, and then continue on in the same direction. Remember, price never travels in a straight line. So we continue to see bullish movement here, a spike, a slight correction, and then we can see from this point, which is February 3rd, 2015, we can see quite a sharp bullish rise in angle in the price, continue to act bullish. So went for a great run. Well, it's technically been on a great run since the beginning, but specifically from January 2015, early 2015 era, a great run to the upside until the 4th of September 2018, a slight pullback and correction, and then again another great rally until we hit the 1st of July 2020, until we've seen this slight consolidation until present day. Remember, every stock rallies and corrects itself. So after seeing such a great movement to the upside, it's kind of expected that we would see a bit of sideways movement. All right, let's look at the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we can see that price is trading above the 200 simple moving average and above the 50 simple moving average. Currently, price is just dipped below the 50 simple moving average. And we can see our trend filter is green with slight spots of red. If you go back through time, we can continue to see that pattern of mostly green trend filter with slight dips in the red. That generally means price trades above average with the odd time when it's dipped slightly below average. This is a sign of a good bullish stock and one that continues to rise to the upside. As you can see, price is currently moving sideways. which is why we are not seeing a lot of space between the 50 simple moving average and price currently. Ideally, we'd like to see as much gap between the 50 simple moving average and price as we see between the 200 simple moving average and the 50 simple moving average. If we look at our key weekly pivot support and resistance levels, we can see that we have quite a few resistance levels above price and quite a few resistance levels forming below price. This is because price is currently in an area of consolidation, and this is why it's creating a lot of recent pivot support levels and a lot of recent pivot resistance levels. As we know, price is currently in a consolidation between this level here and about this level here. We can see that price has bounced off the support level twice, here and here, on the 21st of September 2020 and on the 1st of March 2021. We can also see it's bounced off of this resistance level on the 12th of July 2021 and the 15th of November 2021. We can see almost like a double top shape formed here with a bit of a messy middle. Let's go to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where we can really see what's happening with price. At a closer look, we can see that price is quite messy at this current time. We can see that our moving averages are out of order. Ideally, we like to see them moving from slowest to highest upwards. However, the 20 simple moving average represented by this blue line, which is the slowest, is actually below the 200 simple moving average. And we can see throughout this recent period, all of our moving averages are entangled.
Entanglement?
An entanglement?
Yes. Entanglement.
Yes, we have an entanglement. We can see the 200 simple moving average, the 50 simple moving average, and the 20 simple moving average crisscrossing over each other. And this is confirming to us that price is moving sideways. This is also confirmed to us by looking at our trend filter. We can see lots of green and red in the trend filter, meaning that price is currently trading above and below its general average. So therefore, we have in green and red trend filter. If we look at our key daily pivot support and resistance levels, we can see one level here and another one here, all trading above price. If we also look at this most recent support level, price is resting just at that level. But we could also see more recent support levels just below our current support level. So price may fall through these levels and hit our more recent levels as well. If we zoom out on our chart, we can see that both the weekly time frame and the daily time frame are showing red trend filters. That's showing that currently price has a bit of bearish action to it. Let's take a look at the final daily time frame. If we zoom in, we can see that today's candlestick is red, meaning it's a bearish day.
It's good and the Bears win it!
If we zoom in on the bar, we can see that it has quite a small body and quite a long candlestick, meaning it's an indecision candle. Next, we'll look to see if we have any boys or BOIs, our breakout indicator, represented by these green dots or these red dots. The green dots means it's a breakout bullish candle. And if we see a red indicator, that means it's a breakout bearish candle. Currently, we're in a bull market, so we'd be looking to see a breakout bull candle in order to look for entry opportunities into a bull market. If we zoom out in recent times, we can see that we have a bearish indicator on the 30th of September 2021, another one on the 4th of October 2021. We have a bullish indicator on the 5th of November 2021, another bullish indicator on the 18th of November 2021. Then we have nothing until we have a bearish indicator on the 5th of January 2022 and 18th of January 2022.
What happened to that boy?
So if we were to look at the stock as a whole, we can see that Amazon does trend well and has trended to the upside for quite some time now. We know that it goes on runs and has small corrections, then goes on for a long run to the upside. At times, it consolidates sideways before making a massive run to the upside. We can see that price currently is in a massive consolidation between the high of this $3,775 level and currently this $3,183 level. Ideally, we would like to see price come back up to our resistance level, break this resistance level, pull back to this resistance level, and turn this resistance level into a base or a support level, and then see price once again continue on up in a bullish direction. We would like to see price cross this level before we look to make any sort of entry opportunities. So personally, I would not be looking to enter into Amazon at this current point in time until we see price break out of consolidation and then move to the upside. If there's a stock that you would like me to analyze, place it down below in the comments. If you want up-to-date stock analysis, make sure you hit that bell icon to get these videos as soon as they drop. And if you want daily stock lists of stocks to buy now or the tools and education to analyze your own stocks, go to focusoninvesting.io. Links in the description.